I'm Sarah Mears, and I am the directing attorney of a project called Kids Legal, which is part of Pine Tree Legal Assistance. We are a statewide civil legal services provider where we provide legal assistance at no cost to low-income Mainers. I'm here today to request an earmark through the Office of Juvenile Justice, Delinquency, and Prevention for the Kids Legal project. Kids Legal started in 2004. We actually had an earmark to create Maine's first and only children's law project, and that was a 2-year earmark, and we had other funding at the time. We've been able to get private foundation grants, and we use some of the filing fee money for the legal services providers in Maine to supplement our budget for the Kids Legal project. Unfortunately, given the economy and also private foundations, we haven't been able to sustain the level of funding that we had originally anticipated. So we've actually eliminated one of our original attorney positions. We currently have a staff of 2 full-time attorneys and a full-time paralegal that represents low-income children or their parents on their behalf, depending upon what the legal issue is, who has the rights. Our goal really is to improve the lives of Maine's children and help them transition to productive, successful, tax-paying citizens in the state of Maine. You had been provided with our request some pie charts that shows what we've done in 2009 in terms of case type and the type of work that we do. And we also have, I only brought one copy, but our celebration of 5 years of what we've accomplished since we started the Kids Legal project. Our goal is to really be a clearinghouse on children's legal issues. We don't just provide direct representation, but we also provide multiple trainings throughout the state to both youth, parents, and community providers, as well as individual consultations to community providers and attorneys, because there's not actually a law book that says this is where all the children's law rights are. It's cobbled throughout the various statutes in Maine, and so we have become the experts on that. The majority of the casework that we do is on education issues, and we found that that's extremely important because, as you may know, children who don't actually graduate from high school over their lifetime earn 67% less than a high school graduate. They also are likely to have a reduced lifespan of actually 6 to 9 years if they don't obtain a high school diploma. And so we really focus on truancy, residency barriers, particularly with homeless students, and educational services, a lot of which involves special education. If you're a child who's identified with an emotional disability, the national rate of graduation is only 35% compared to the national rate of all high school students of 76%. We also, in addition to the direct representation, like I said, do trainings and also individual consultations, but we've been appointed to various task forces that either the governor has requested that we be been on or the Chief Justice.
Thank you.